Alright guys, how we all doing? Time is currently 6 AM. We've been driving to work, well no, time ain't 6 AM, what's the time? 6:42 in the morning. We're just going to be driving to work. Nice good old Monday, sort of autumn winter start. Bloody hell, it's freezing, mate. Hope everyone's alright. Mate, look at this guy, block me in. Oh. Literally, there's no space, no gaps where I park. Yeah guys, it's a little drive to work, I guess. Little drive to work POV. Why not? Oh, get the heated seats on. Bloody hell. Hope you guys are liking the videos that I'm uploading. Man, I can't believe this van, he blocked me in. Look at him. Wow. Crazy. Get the same idea. Nowhere to park apart from up here. That is what it is. Guys, start work at 7 AM. Work 5 days a week. Do body repair on vans. Loving life. It's alright though. Working 7 till 4. It's not bad. Because usually my old place used to work 8 AM till 5 PM. And it used to feel like it would drag, you know what I mean? Like, the time it reaches from maybe 10 AM to 11 PM will be like the longest time ever. Or no, 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock is like the longest part of the day. And then probably around 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock was like the longest time. Then finishing at 5. Oh mate. That was my old place. This place I currently work at 7 till 4. Pretty good. Obviously working on vans is a lot more tiring. All the panels are a lot longer, wider, bigger. A little bit more hard work, but it's still good. I enjoy it. You know, do a bit of prepping, painting, polishing, do a bit of filler work every now and then. Yeah, on the side, just want to be uploading these sort of POV videos really. I want to be that guy who's known for driving the E88 125i, do you know what I mean? I know it's not an M car, it's not a 1M, it's not an M3, but it's still my car, man. I love it. And the way I see it, it doesn't matter if you don't own a sports car or top of the line of like the German car, top spec car, whatever. If it's your car and if you like it, bloody upload videos of it. Why not? Because I ain't got nothing to lose here. Do you know what I mean? This is just like a hobby of mine. And yeah, it would be nice for it to take off, but you know what I mean? It's just little documents of me driving. Mate, I'm so tired. I felt like I could have just slept in. You know what I mean? Waking up at like 6:30 in the morning, leaving for 7 to get to work for 7, but so I like the BMW 1 Series as a whole. You know, whether it's the E82 Coupe or the E88 Cabriolet like this, man, it's just a nice car. You know what I mean? It's got a nice line. It's got a nice shape to it. It's compact. You know, you sit in it, you feel snug. Like I was saying in the other few videos, the interior, it's not like old, but it's not new. It's just like your nice basic BMW interior, do you know what I mean? But obviously I've got an aftermarket screen here for waves and stuff like that. But as a whole, it's good. It's basic, does the job, does what it needs to do. Yeah, I thought I'd just do this little POV drive to work. Obviously I'm going to drive to my work because one of those things I just don't want to share on YouTube. But I just thought, I'm driving. Let's get the camera out, let's get the microphone out. So yeah, man. Hope anyone who watches this has a good Monday. Doing whatever you're doing, whether it's working in the office, doing labour work, doing like woodwork, electricians, tradesmen, whatever you're doing. Have a good day. Yeah, man, I'm just I'm enjoying this car. Every time I get in it makes me smart, man. Just hearing this engine. Can't get sick of it. Just the silky smooth, linear tone, power delivery of this car. It's just awesome, mate. Yeah, I'm going to be uploading quite a few YouTube shorts. I've never really uploaded YouTube shorts before, but yeah, we uploaded two YouTube shorts literally yesterday. Well, obviously, by the time this video gets uploaded, it won't be yesterday, but you know what I mean. Yeah, got like 1K views. I wasn't expecting that, but then again, it's YouTube shorts, so it's a bit like TikTok, short form content. You can just keep scrolling and scrolling. But I'm surprised it even got out to people. It's like all the rest of my videos getting like 10 views, 15 views. Yeah, guys, I know this ain't no BMW 1M, but it's a great little car, man. Like I said, it's little baby 3 Series. My mate Liam, he's got a BMW E93 325i, but he's got the N53 engine. It's pretty much the same engine, but it's got a high pressure fuel pump, and it's like, was it force injection? Whereas this one's an N52, no high pressure fuel pump, and it's like Paul injected. So apparently it's like less carbon build up or whatever. But side by side though, just seeing them, same sort of era, same generation, E90, E80 really. They've used like the same parts. Now we'll go straight. Yeah, it's just great. It is an E93 N53 engine, like a hardtop. It's pretty much like a big brother version of this car, do you know what I mean? This is like the younger sibling, the little E88, smaller, compact cabriolet with a 3-litre lump. And this one's like the bigger, longer wheelbase, bigger brother of the 3 lump underneath. Do you know what I mean? I just find it so like, I find it fascinating. I know it's stupid to talk about, but you know what I mean. Who do you get on YouTube just rambling on about an old E88, an old 1 Series convertible that no one really cares about? Me? I want to be that guy. Because this E88, mate, it's just their E Series as a whole, it's like massively underrated. I know you get like 2-litre diesels, like the 118D, 120D, things like that. It's all good and all. But just the 3-litre, the 125i, even the 135i, the N54 engine, N55 engine, mate. These cars here, they're just special. You know what I mean? They're like hidden gems. No one really cares for them, or no one really knows about them. Even like the Bmw 125i, the hatchback, because that's got an N52 engine in it, but that's in a very small hatchback. That's rear-wheel drive, naturally aspirated. How awesome is that? But yeah, I don't really know where I'm going with this. I haven't really got a schedule with these videos. I mean, I haven't really got like a script or anything that most people go off. I just sort of say whatever's on my mind. Yeah, sort of on the way to work. Daily commute to work and that. In the mornings, usually like 15 minutes. On the way home, it could be a nightmare. Sometimes there's loads of traffic, bumper to bumper. Usually take 20, 25 minutes. On average, it's like 20 minutes. Oh, speed bumps, mate, speed bumps. Well, that's a nice car, whatever that is. What is that? Nice. Oh, look, got a nice new electric BMW. Great. Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna keep going with the content. Keep going. I ain't gonna stop. Be consistent. Because you just never know. Yeah, obviously I would do like POVs of like my work and stuff, but obviously that's like proper body shop stuff, that's like behind the scenes stuff. Workmates would get a bit funny, like boss directors and stuff, they'll get a bit funny, like why is he recording type of thing. So I'm just gonna carry on doing these POV videos and even some vlogs, you know, whenever I meet up with Morgan or with some mates. But I was speaking about videos the other day to just Morgan in general, like, and just like a few people. I would love to drive to like the Peak District or the Lake District, or you know, all around those nice country lanes, nice scenic views. I'd love to drive around Wales, mate. It's just for the landscapes, man. It's for the vibes and the footage. I mean, it's just so cool. I'd love to just take my car to nice places. And you know, make a video out of it, so why not? Yeah, guys, I can't wait to go into work, get a coffee, mate. Oh, it's when you know you're growing up, mate. I don't even feel old, right? I still feel like I'm 18, 17, 18. But mate, time flies. It's 2025, I'm 25, born in the 2000s, mate. And it's gotten to the point where, obviously, don't get me wrong, I'm awake, but I need a coffee to wake me up, do you know what I mean? I need a black coffee. No milk, no sugar, just bitter, black coffee, 2 tablespoons, and you're up, mate. We're ready to go. Say hello to me once I've had a coffee. Not before. I'll be telling you to go away. Yeah. I'm going to shut up now for a little bit. Yeah, I hope everyone has a good Monday, whatever you're doing. I know it's the start of the week, I know it's a bit muggy, you know, just crap, obviously, after having like a great weekend, you know, start of the week, back to living in a simulation, I guess. Nah, I don't believe in that stuff, but it feels like it, that's for sure. Every day feels the same, during the week, anyway. You say hello to the same people, you're in the same work environment, you're in the same sort of, I'm not going to say work personality, but like you're in the same sort of, I don't know, work vibe, the same people. Yeah. It's all fun. Guys, look at this, look at this interior. I know the seats are a bit worn. There's a few marks on it, but adds, as what my dad likes to say, it adds soul, character. And it adds to the oldie woldiness of the age of the car. Do you know what I mean? But then again, I do understand why people have, like, obviously restored classics. Obviously this ain't a classic, but example, restored classics and have like brand new interior, brand new everything. It's all completely immaculate. But then again, like these guys, there's people out there who do up their classic cars, put a new engine in it, do up the whole interior, exterior and everything. Then they just don't drive it. Do you know what I mean? It just sits on their, either sits on a low loader, or it just sits on their driveway and not being used, and they're just looking at it as if it's like a museum item or like a monument or what's the word? What am I looking for? Is it monument? Yeah, it's like, I think that's the word. It's like they just stare at it, just not drive it. I don't understand, mate. Cars are there to be driven. I can understand restoring vehicles. I understand the whole part of restoring a vehicle and then wanting to keep it in that condition for, I don't know, 10 plus years, 15 plus years, and then selling it on for about 15, 20 grand. You know what I mean? But I don't know, man. Cars are there to be driven. And as well, this is just random thoughts, but cars like this as well, like you'd want to, instead of just staying around 3k revs, you're going to get, you know, get all the way up to 5k revs or 4k revs. Like that. Hear the engine, mate. Hear it purr. Yeah, serious talk though. Serious talk. Yeah, I'll be near my work in a minute. Don't know how long it's been. We left around 6:40. 6:40 in the morning. Now it's on the 6:57. Hey guys, hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. Oh my god, random thought. There's a Texaco garage that we're approaching. Oh, I didn't know that. I've been getting my car washed for months. Right, months. I only found out the other day from my work that there used to be illegal immigrants. Bloody hell, this is bad. I don't even know if I should be talking about this stuff. But yeah, there used to be illegal immigrants there at the time, just washing my car. Mad. Anyway, they got shut down. They got deported back to their country, wherever they come from. Yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, that's. I don't even want to talk about what is going on right now. This whole immigration thing, man. It's just nuts. It's all balmy. After the whole massive Tommy Robinson like protest or like meet up and stuff. Yeah, it's all a bit mad. But anyway, guys, we are approaching work. Hope you guys do enjoy this, or if anyone does watch this, comment down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. See you later, guys. Have a good day.